Hello, today we're talking about managing clutter by using a planner. Now, I highly recommend Kimmy Hughes's planner. It's called she'sinherapron.com. It's an excellent planner and it's designed for people with ADD, people who are sidetracked. I am one of those people. You probably are too if you have clutter and you can't get a handle on it. Use one planner. Don't use 3, 4, 6. Don't use online and a calendar in the kitchen. And you have too many ends. Get one planner and use it. Kimmy's planner is designed to help you with budget. It's designed to help you with menu. It's designed to help you with your daily, weekly, and monthly accomplishments or things. So get your planner and plan. If you don't have Kimmy's, use some planner. Please use a planner and be mindful. That means that you have to separate out your outside commitments and then plan your day. Have a great day and always be beautiful.